67 plus हो अहिले?
Yes sir, 75.
75 भयो मेरोमा 67 मात्रै देखाइरहेछ. ओके सुरु गरौँ कि एकछिन वेट गरौँ?
सुरु गर्दा हुन्छ सर.
सुरु गर्दा हुन्छ है. म आज खास इन्ट्रोडक्टरी क्लास लिन्छु, इन्ट्रोडक्सन अफ द साइकोलोजी. ए साइकोलोजी किन, व्हाई साइकोलोजी इज निडेड इन मेडिकल साइन्स? ओके साइकोलोजी there is a totally, this is a social science, and there are 3 social sciences which are compulsorily used in the medicine, 5 social sciences, but economics and the political science is not taught in this medical science, but it relates, it is need to relate to both this political science and economics also. But the sociology, psychology and the anthropology is the most known area, known science for the this public health person or the medical background. Now, सबैलाई थाहा छ तिमीहरूलाई, यो अहिले म यही कोभिड-19 कै एक्जाम्पल दिन्छु. देन क्लास सुरु गर्नुभन्दा पहिले नै मैले चाहिँ के भने अलिकति थोरै if you could not feel comfortable, please tell me. Okay, comfortable छ नि सबैलाई? हेलो, मेरो नाम आइरहेको छैन यहाँ. comfortable छ? Okay. I will give the example of this COVID-19. Many people died during this pandemic. What is the cause? Most of them suffer by pneumonia. Okay. So who are died? Who reached the hospital or who could not reach the hospital? जो हस्पिटल पुगे र उपचार सुरु गरे, उपचारमा पनि मरे. जो अस्पतालै पुग्न पाएनन्, अस्पताल भन्दा बाहिर पनि मरे. किन त? साइकोलोजिकल एस्पेक्ट. ओके, मेडिकल र यो चाहिँ मेडिसिनल एस्पेक्टबाट एउटा कुरा भयो र यो चाहिँ के भने हाम्रो बिहेभियर, जुन बिहेभियरले को कारणले गर्दाखेरि, due to the behavior problem, they died because they are totally isolated by their family member, totally isolated by their relationship, and the total isolation by their social contact also. It means they could not survive, or they could not communicate to each their needy person. That's why the response of the medicine could not work. That's why that person died. Who could not reach the hospital due to fear. Due to fear, then they are more hopeless. There is no any counseling to them, because all of the other person are fear to see them, to talk them, and that's why they could not get that social services. That's why they died. Some of the chronic disease, who got the already chronic disease, the fear of this slogan. If somebody have already chronic disease, it is more effective, more effect by COVID. It is already given the slogan. That's why the who are suffered by that chronic disease like hypertension, diabetic, asthmatic patient. Okay, that person feared, and their willpower lost. That's why they other medicine, supporting medicine could not respond. That's why they died. Okay. In this, regarding this pandemic, okay, these kinds of knowledge, these kinds of education, or these kinds of communication has not provided to others, and the doctors, nurse, even they are also fear. They are also hesitate to talk with others due to this fearness. Okay, that fear. Due to that fear, the communication is highly spread. Okay, in later days, later out, see, people are used, and they who are recovered by using the some medicine, or some without medicine, or the supporting medicine. It means I want to relate this in psychology. And exactly what is psychology? Psychology is the state of mind. Okay, state of mind, which is not newly science, but in medicine, it is taught in all over the world, because the 50% this curing pattern covered by the psychology. Okay, if the person are not ready, okay, if the person is not ready, not response totally, that's the other supporting medicine, or supporting any kinds of help could not accept by body. Okay, all the social science relate to the society, relate to the groups, but the psychology relate to individual. It is sometimes it is used to tell the individual science. It is study of the mind. Study of the mind, relationships of mind and body. Psychology is the study of the relationship of mind and body. Relationships of the response and of people, persons. First of all, knowing the person, self knowing. Okay, it is to study others. Okay, it is very difficult to study the group psychology, but the group psychology also sometimes guided by the individual psychology. Individual psychology. That's why it is used to tell the individual science. Okay, individual study of mind. The mind relate to body, relate to other person, relate to the many types of things. Now I am talking about the normal and abnormal behavior. Okay, how to say normal and how to say abnormal. Okay, see here, I will make a question. Is the individual really displaying a usual behavior? Evaluate it. Okay. Does the behavior go against the societal norms? Okay. Anything wants to add? के भन्न खोजेको हो कसैले? हेलो, हेलो, आवाज आइरहेछ, मैले सुनिरहेको छैन. हेलो, दीपिका. Hello, Deepika. Anything you want to say?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Does the behavior go against the societal norms? Okay. Is there evidence, their reality perception is faulty? Does this person appear to the considerable personal distress? Is the person's behavior maladaptive or self-defeating? Okay. In this, regarding this one, a person, how to say the normal and abnormal? Number one, who will decide abnormal? And who will decide the normal? What is the normal behavior of the person? Okay. And how to relate the normal and abnormal? Okay. The known behavior, regular behavior, regular activities is the normal. We can say the regular activities where we are following and we are communicating, or we are practicing, or we are showing our activities regular. If it comes abnormal, like abstraction of the regular behavior, sleeping behavior, talking behavior, this food taking behavior, eating behavior, okay, and the communicating behavior, and this eyesight, okay, the body response, okay, they shows the if they are different from the general, it means this is abnormal. Abnormal. Before we can write about the specific behavioral disorder, we must define the abnormal and what is normal behavior. First of all, we have to know the normal behavior. Then we can say, we can observe, and we can decide the abnormal behavior is this one. That's why if the medical person is treating the patient, okay, then what is the normal behavior? The person should study, taking history, okay, and what is differences from the general or from the previous, and we can say this is the abnormal. The abnormal, the sick person always shows the abnormal behavior, but how much abnormal? How much abnormality is seen their body, their response, and their activities. Okay, the following criteria are used to determine whether the person behavior is normal or not, abnormal or not. Okay. Okay, first of all, population facts are measures such as height, weight, and intelligence. Okay, population facts means how much of these people. Okay, their this general data like height, weight, intelligence. If they are confusion their height, if they are confusion their weight, or they what regular working, if they are working, they could not use their intelligence, or they could not or the over experts, okay, over exaggerating, okay, these kinds of sign and symptoms will be seen. Okay, most of the people fall within the middle range of the intelligence, but few are abnormally stupid. Okay, some people see the age. Okay, if the young age, if some people are showing the abnormal types of activities, or the people say that is the people's, the proper person's behavior is under control, or the not control. Okay, that is general people will say sometime that is the intelligence, more intelligent persons, or the sometime it is genus people also called the abnormal. But that shows their activities. If they are not hampering others, if they are not this person is doing the extraordinary work, it means it goes to the that genius level. Okay, but according to the definition, a person who is extremely intelligent would be classified as the abnormal. Is it? Is it? Who are the extremely intelligent? The general people will define this as abnormal. It is not good, but if the person is showing that kind of behavior, and what to say? What to say? Then thus, in defining abnormal behavior, we must consider more. Okay, then because they give the more attention towards the person, because if that abnormality disturbs other or not, hampers others or not, okay, other things, deviation from the statical norms. Okay, if there is a certain rule and regulation of the family, rule and regulation of the community, rule and regulation of the group, rule and regulation of the organization, rule and regulation of the institution, okay, rule and regulation of the other types of any gathering or any types of functions, okay, it many deviation from social norms. Every culture has certain standards for the acceptable behavior. Okay, behavior that deviates from that standard is considered to be abnormal behavior. Okay, if the person is totally deviated from that practiced behavior or common behavior, okay, it's used to tell the abnormal behavior. People, mostly people wake up in the morning, okay, use their as usual routine work. If the person could not conduct this routine works, okay, if the person deviates from the routine works, okay, and it shows the other types of activities, it means the other person can observe their abnormality. The person could not know, the self could not know the person, I am showing the abnormal behavior. That abnormality is seen by others, the persons who are abnormal. So absolutely they will say, I am right, I am fit, I am not problematic persons, but the others will feel the person is the problem. The problematic behavior the person is showing. That's why the other person should get in trackle. सुनिएको छ प्रज्वल? हेलो अब्दुल?
Yes, sir. सुनिरहेको छु.
सुनिएको छ? Okay.
Sir.
Okay, but these standards, those standards can change with the time and vary from one society to other society, because the social norms is not same in every society, but every society has the social norms, standard, value, okay, and that standard, value, norms, and cultural practice is not same, but they have. If deviate by this rule and regulation of if the abide the social control mechanism, rule and regulation of the society, okay, that is called the deviated by this social psychological problems or abnormal behavior. Psychological problems, not only the stress, not only the anxiety, okay, not only this schizophrenic, but the deviation, any types of social activities means the symptom of the social, the abnormal behavior. Okay. Okay, maladaptiveness of the behavior. The third criteria is how the behavior affect the well-being of the individual and or social groups. Okay, maladaptiveness of behavior, like a thieving, like a cheating, okay, like a teasing, like a not accept the others' persons, okay, like if the persons this see their anything which is needed to the persons, okay, they attack the attraction of that things or the attraction of that persons or attraction of that behavior, okay, it means the maladaptiveness for the persons. जस्तै कसैले राम्रो जुत्ता लगाएको छ, उसँग जुत्ता किन्ने क्यापासिटी किन नहोस्, जस्तो सुकै जुत्ता पनि किन्न सक्छ, तर उसले लगाएको जुत्ता पनि चोर्ने बानी हुन्छ। अरूले किताब किनेको हुन्छ, राम्रो किताब उसले पनि किन्न सक्छ, उसको पनि किताब त्यस्तै किताब उसँग छ, तर त्यो अरूको किताब उसले चोर्छ, किन आफ्नो किताब चाहिँ सटक्कसँग लुकाउँछ, राख्छ, अनि त्यो आफूको किताब चोर्छ, अनि मैले चोरेकै छैन, लिएकै छैन, यो मेरै हो भन्छ। हामीले यो चाहिँ बिहेभियर बच्चाहरूमा धेरैमा अनुभव गरिसकेका छौँ। We have seen different types of this maladaptive behavior in the medical science students also, because that kind of maladaptive behavior can be changed by the counseling. Different types of counseling, different attempts. The persons they can be rehab, correction. Okay, that is not the treating. The medicinal could not work in this part, but the counseling will work effectively. Okay, examples are men who attempt suicide and alcoholics who drinks so heavily that he or she cannot keep a job, or paranoid individual who tries to assassinate the national leaders. Okay, this shows if the person is deviated from that normal activities or the behavior problem, that person can do any types of work, like आफैले आफैलाई मार्छ नि, हैन, आफैले आफैलाई सुसाइड गर्ने भनेको आफैले मार्छ, त्यसले आफैले आफैलाई मार्नको लागि प्रयोग गरिने कुनै खालका पनि एक्टिभिटिजहरु, टेरोरिस्टहरुले यस्तो पर्सनालिटीहरु चोइस गर्न एकदम चुज गरिरहेको हुन्छ। उले त्यो पर्सनालिटी छ कि छैन, उ डराउँछ कि डराउँदैन, उले यो गर्नको लागि उलाई अझ केले चाहिँ के भन्देखि इन्सिस्ट गराउँछ त्यो कुरामा चाहिँ के उनीहरुले पत्ता लगाउँछ। टेरोरिस्टहरुले चाहिँ यस्तो मान्छेहरुलाई एकदमै चाहिँ के रे त्यो पत्ता लगाएर चाहिँ के भने त्यो उनीहरुले त्यो सुसाइड बमहरु अट्याक गर्नको लागि प्रयोग गरिन्छ। जो आफै सुसाइड गर्न तयार भइरहेको हुन्छ, ऊ एकदमै ओभर एक्टिभ छ, त्यो यस्तो ओभर एक्टिभ भइरहेकोलाई दे क्यान युज द्याट काइन्ड्स अफ पर्सनालिटी टु डिस्ट्रोय sometimes political leaders, sometimes national personality, sometimes they are so-called enemies, okay, sometimes who keeps the bad relations with them, that kinds of person can active for this activities. Like a thief, if somebody robbery, thief, robbery, and everything that personality can be used. And they who are this maladaptive behavior, who want to be the heroism, hero, that person can choose these kinds of select and they can use these kinds of personalities to fulfill their objectives. Okay. Personal distress. The fourth criteria considers abnormality. Time मलाई भन्न ल, टाइम फेरि कति हुँदैछ है. Okay, personal distress. The fourth criteria considers abnormality in terms of the individual's subjective feelings, personal distress, rather than this behavior. Okay, personal distress. If the person says deviate, okay, sometimes family deviation, sometimes the relationship deviation, okay, sometimes the educational deviation, okay, sometimes this other types of need-based deviation, okay. This kinds of deviation also is the personal distress, okay, which ruins the persons, okay, by law, by other activities, okay, that kinds of persons is ruined. Most people diagnosed as mentally ill feel miserable, anxious, depressed, and may suffer from the insomnia. Okay, the person could not feel. If the person feel abnormality, it is easy to treat, easy to get in control. But the person could not feel, I am sick, I am abnormal, or I am showing abnormal behavior. The other person are looking, observing me. I am not in the right way. I am not in right condition. That's why they are observing. They never feel. They never feel. Okay, they will not feel any types of uneasiness. That's why very difficult to get in control. Okay, in the type of abnormality called neurosis, personal distress may be the only symptoms because the individual's behavior seems normal. Okay, very difficult to be the normal. Okay, very difficult. Who are the normal person? How can we say the normal person? From the psychological aspect, there are more than 2/3 people are abnormal. Two-third people. Because there is no one person without stress. No one person without anxiety. Anything, either this economical point of view, either a social point of view, either a relational points of view, or either a cultural points of view, any types of, they are not totally 100% satisfied. If the persons are not satisfied, means something is playing with their mind. It means something is playing with their minds. We have no money. Who are poor? That is different things. who are rich, how to protect their properties, how to protect their families, how to protect their relationship, or how to hide their maladaptive earning. Okay, the who are rich, they are also in stress. When who will cure that stress? Who will cure that abnormalities? Okay, that abnormalities is a very difficult to cure. Okay, but they who are totally abnormal, deviate from the personal contact, distress, or any types of who are defecting or who are affecting others, who are destroying the others' properties, who are destroying their others' personality, who are destroying the others' behavior. It means the other person will catch them to for the treatment, catch them to the other handovering other places who are guiding these kinds of a personality. Okay. None of these definition provides a complete description of the abnormal behavior. Is it? बुझेको छ कि छैन? बुझेको छैन भने भन। एउटै क्लासमा कति बुझिन्छ र बुझिदैन सबै? ओके। मलाई यो चाहिँ के रे यसमा त्यति कम्फर्टेबल लागिरहेको छैन। अस्तिकै जुममै ठिक थियो है क्लास त। हेलो।
यस सर।
कस्तो बुझिएको छ, सुनिएको छ, क्लियर छ?
सुनिरहेको छ सर, राम्रो। यस सर, क्लियर छ।
बुझेको छैन भने मसँग कन्सर्न गर। ओके। योभन्दा अगाडि कसो क्लास थियो?
फिजियोलोजीको थियो सर।
योभन्दा पछाडि कसको छ? पैथोलॉजी को। Okay. Okay. Here, legal definition of the abnormality declares a person insane when he is not able to judge between the right and wrong. But this criteria is not used for psychologists. Okay, abnormality. जो एकदम क्लियर हुने, जो नर्मल, जो डिसाइड गर्ने लेभलमा छ, डिसाइड गर्ने मान्छे नै कम्प्लिटली उ चाहिँ के एब्नर्मल हो भन्ने कुरो केले प्रमाणित गर्छ? यो राइट नै हो, रङ नै हो भनेर त्यो भन्ने मान्छे चाहिँ के भने उ नर्मल छ भन्ने कुरो चाहिँ के भने त्यहाँ कसले गाइड गर्छ? Okay, it is not the totally wrong. It is not the totally right. Okay, that's why if it is tolerable, if it is adjustable, if it is acceptable, at that cost, the decision will comes. Okay, symptoms of stress in mind. के भयो भने चाहिँ त्यो माइन्डमा स्ट्रेस पर्छ त, सिम्पटम्स अफ स्ट्रेस इन माइन्ड. ओके, एब्नर्मालिटी को कुरा गरिरहेका छौँ हामी. वी आर इन एब्नर्मल, नर्मल एन्ड एब्नर्मल. एन्जाइटी or getting angry easily, symptoms of stress in mind. Okay, sometimes this will be the remain a question. Okay, what is the symptoms of stress in mind? Means it comes under the SAQ, short answer question. Okay, anxiety or getting angry easily. If the person getting angry easily without matters. Regular talking, sometimes the regular talking also, the common words also hit the person. Okay. Sadness, crying or feeling of helplessness. It is a symptoms of mind. Stress in mind. Symptoms of stress in mind. Sadness, crying, feeling, or helplessness. Okay. Okay. Other mode that change quickly. Okay. Mode that change quickly. Here, who are abnormal, I will find out later on. Okay. Now in my screen, there are only 77% are seen here. Okay. How much you are? How much your screen?
85.
85. मेरोमा 77 मात्रै देखिरहेछ किन? ओके. बुझिराखेको छ नि? यो बुझिन्छ. पढाउँदाखेरि बुझिन्छ, तर पछि जब क्वेशन आउँछ त्यतिखेर लेख्न सकिदैन है. यो पढाउँदाखेरि एकदम सिम्पल छ है, तर त्यो यस्तो बिर्सिन्छ कि त्यो कुनै लाइनै बिर्सिहाल्छ, पछि उ गर्ने बेलामा लेख्ने बेलामा आउँदैन. ओके. मोड दैट कैन चेन्ज क्विकली. यसले के एफेक्ट गर्छ विद्यार्थीलाई, विद्यार्थी जीवनमा? भन त. एनाटोमीको किताब निकालो, 2 लाइन पढेको छैन, ओहो मैले त प्याथोलोजीको किताब पढेकै छैन, 2 लाइनै कम्प्लिट नगरी प्याथोलोजीको किताब निकालो. प्याथोलोजीको किताब निकालो, अनि निकालेर 2 लाइन हेर्न पाएको छैन, हो माइक्रोबायोलोजीको त मैले हेरेकै छैन भनेको, त्यो छोडिदियो, माइक्रोबायोलोजी निकालो. ओ माइक्रोबायोलोजी किताब पढेर 4 लाइन पढेको छैन, हो मेरो फेसबुकमा साथीहरू कति आइसक्यो होला. मोड क्यान चेन्ज क्विकली. That affect the personal activities. Mode that can quickly, if the person's feeling these types of mode change, please consider, please change the behavior. Other one, poor concentration. Needing to be told things several times before understanding and remembering them. पढ्यो पढ्यो पढ्दै गयो आउँदैन, पढ्दै सुरु गर्दै पढ्दै गयो तब गयो आउँदैन. कसैले भनिरहेको छ के रे के भनेको भन्ने, टेलिफोन नम्बर 10 डिजिटको टेलिफोन नम्बर भनेको छ, अनि फर्स्टको कति अरे भन्ने, ए लास्टको त भुलि गए नि मैले भन्ने, ओ फेरि भन् त भन्ने. ओके. दिस टाइम्स अफ symptoms are related to the mind. Okay. Thinking about the same things again and again may find it hard to describe their symptoms. The same thing again and again, repeatedly comes in mind. Okay. For this geriatric people, okay, for this geriatric people used to tell the this nervousness or the nervousness of the mind, and the word is used, the common use word dementia. Okay. Common used word is a dementia. If repeatedly new things is forgotten, old thing is comes in memory in this this dementia. Okay, but in this is thinking same thing again means it comes under the stress in mind of the young age people, young age persons. Okay. Okay. Stress in body. symptoms of stress in body: tiredness, headache, tense, okay, tense muscles, palpitation or irregular heartbeat, feeling as though one cannot get enough air, okay, nausea, feeling sick, back pain, or the arms, legs, or chest, any types of pain. Okay, they see here मेरो त के भन्छ नि खुट्टा झमझम आयो, आँखा फरफर आयो, हेडेक, टाउको दुखेको छ विदाउट एनी कज है, मसल्सहरु मसल्सहरु आफै चाहिँ के अरे टेन्स मसल्स, आफै मसल टाइट भएको जस्तो हुने, आफै लुज बस्तो हुने हैन, palpitation of the irregular heartbeat. ओ मैले धेरै सास फेर्न गरिरहेको छु, I am feeling the like restlessness. Okay, these types of feelings will come from these symptoms of stress in body. Okay, sometimes nausea. Okay, feeling sick. मलाई आज बिरामी भएको जस्तो लागेको छ, I am not good well, I am not feeling well. मलाई आज एकदम हेजी छ मेरो शरीर है, मेरो खुट्टा दुखिरहेको छ, मेरो के भन्छ चेस्ट पेन छ. Okay, these types of symptoms are seen in stress in body. Okay. Okay. Symptoms of stress in behavior. अब behavior मा चाहिँ stress छ भने how to know? Reduce activities. गरिरहेको कामहरु घट्ने. Reduce activities. 1 घण्टामा हिँडिरहेको बाटो छ भने त्यसलाई 1.5 घण्टा लाग्ने, हिँड्न नसक्ने. Over activity जाँदा inability to rest, restlessness. एकछिन पनि चुप लागेर बस्न सक्ने, काम चाहिँ केही पनि चाहिँ के अरे, अथवा चाहिँ ओभर एक्टिभिटिज, काम गरेको गर्ने. कसैलाई रिस उठ्यो भने धेरै काम गर्छ, लेख्न थाल्यो भने पनि रिस उठेको बेला अति धेरै लेख्दै गर्छ. कसैले रिस उठ्यो त्यस्तो रिस उठ्यो भन्छ नि, मलाई रिस उठेको छ भन्छ, द्याट्स इज स्ट्रेस इन बिहेभियर. और ओभर एक्टिभिटिज और द इनएबिलिटिज, गर्दै नगर्ने, म कसले गर्छ किन गर्ने. Okay, types of X. Taking alcohol or drugs such as the cannabis or opium or to relieve tension. Okay, यो चाहिँ रक्सी खायो भने हुन्छ, अथवा ड्रग्स लियो भने हुन्छ, अथवा गाजा भाङहरु खायो भनेदेखि चाहिँ के भनेदेखि यो स्ट्रेस हट्छ भनेर त्यतातिर लाग्ने. That is also stress in behavior. Difficulty in concentrating on tasks. आफ्नै कामदेखि एकदम डराउने. ओके, कन्सन्ट्रेसन हुन नसक्ने है, त्यसमा ध्यान दिन नसक्ने, त्यहाँ ध्यान पुग्दै नपुग्ने. स्लीप प्रब्लम्स, रिड्युस और डिस्टर्ब स्लीप, निन्द्रामा बिउजिने, पुरा निन्द्रा ननिदाउने. ओके, स्लीपलेसनेस. टू मच स्लीप अल्सो दिस स्ट्रेस इन बिहेभियर. ओके. Oh, symptoms of stress in behavior, relationship. In these symptoms, lack of emotion. Why to consult others? Why to telephone? Why to relate? If I contact them, they will order me. They will make me work, or they will overload to my minds. These types of things will come. Okay, lack of emotion. Argument and disarguments. If somebody wants to tell something, why are they telling them? Why to tell? Why to hear? Okay, these types of disagreement. So anything. सबैले अरूले गरेको सबै नराम्रो देख्ने, आर्गुमेन्ट तो अरूले गरेकोमा आर्गुमेन्ट्स गर्ने, अरूको चित्त नबुझ्ने, आफ्नै किसिमको मात्रै अर्डरहरु लागू गर्ने. Too much dependence on other or for decision and support. Too much dependence. No anything, no any power to decide self. Everything should be depend on others' decision. no power, and no support also. This kinds of personality seen in the who are stressed in relationships. Sometimes my father is like this. Sometimes my mother is like this. Okay, my father could not could not fulfill my demands, or my mother could not fulfill my demands, or my relationships could not fulfill my demands. Okay, that means that is a stress of this is symptoms of stress in relationships. Okay. Okay, I think this is the last slides for today, and the next class I will discuss in the behavior problem or the some psychological definitions. Today I could not upload these definitions. Some definitions. Next class I will upload it one. Okay. Due to this appliances use. Then this is the first class. That's why I will conclude this class from these slides. Okay, anything from anyone? कसैको केही छ? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
बुझिएको छ दीपिका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब नेक्स्ट क्लासमा अरु डिस्कस गरौँला. अरु केही छ मसँग क्वेशन छ भने सोध. अब यसको चाहिँ तिमीहरुको स्टेट इन माइन्ड, स्टेट इन बडी एन्ड स्टेट इन रिलेसनशिपमा चाहिँ एउटा क्वेशन तिमीहरुलाई एसक्यू मा एउटा क्वेशन रहन्छ. प्लिज राम्रोसँग पढ है. ओके.